Okay, go through the rocks and have my son do some creek fishing. Beautiful. Enjoy some nature. I got across without getting wet. I didn't bring my Crocs.
Well, then you should have.
I know, I should have. You're right. Pretty nice. Alright. It's a nice day. Woo! Dude, I like the sound of the water, don't you? Gotta wait up for Dad. Man, they are ahead of me. Alright. Guys, whenever you're on nature, I'm gonna have to get this one on the way back, but it's like, dude, pick up your trash, you know? It's messed up. Like, why? Would have been so hard to just put that in your backpack or whatever. So anyway, on my way back, I'll be getting that. I don't have my bag on me, but this is like kind of like makes you sad, you know? Okay, I'm getting smoked by my kids here. They're way over there. Gotta catch up. See, look at I see the little fish here. Hold on, I want to film this. I know, I'll get this too. Little fry swimming around. And then where? Oh yeah, where? Oh yeah. Wait a minute, is that a group of them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look it. It's a group of fish right there. Oh, that's cool. All right. Well, let's see where Ollie can kind of take a little dunk without disturbing your fishing, okay?
Okay.
It's a nice little pool right here. All nice and open. I know, look at all the butterflies and everything. Dragonflies. Well,